In today's video, I want to share with you my top 3 reasons why you need to be doing affiliate marketing right now. And this is perfect for anybody with limited time who's trying to start a business online and looking to make additional streams of income online in your spare time. If you're new around here, you're going to want to make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss another video, because I'm teaching you all about how to make money online in your spare time. And if you stick around until the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a very special bonus about how you can get started using my 6-figure proven affiliate marketing business and how you can make it your own fast. So without further ado, let's dive straight into this video. So before we get into the top 3 reasons why you should be doing affiliate marketing right now if you're looking to make side income online, let's just talk a little bit real quick about what affiliate marketing is. So affiliate marketing is simply promoting somebody else's products or services in exchange for a commission. So the company focuses, they do all of the sales, they do all of the customer service, they create the products, they ship and fulfill the products, they handle everything. Your only job as an affiliate marketer is to do the promotion, and then you get paid commissions. So the first reason why affiliate marketing is so powerful and why you should be doing it right now to make a side income online is for all the reasons that we just talked about. You are focusing on one thing. The businesses that you are partnering with, they handle the rest. So it's truly something that you can use to generate full-time income online in a very short amount of time. And with the massive rise right now in short form video content, you don't even have to take the time to set up a blog. You don't have to learn how to run paid advertisements. You could just take out your phone, start holding it up like this, shoot 5-second videos 2 to 3 times a day, post them over on TikTok, repurpose them on any social media platform that you want, and you can create a 6-figure business doing this. The first reason why you should be doing affiliate marketing online right now is because it truly allows you to generate a full-time income in a very, very short amount of time. Now, full disclaimer, there will be some work that goes into it. You do need to learn certain skills, and you have to stay committed to the process of creating that content over and over and over again and showing up every single day. It doesn't happen without you actually learning the skills and putting in the work. So now that you know you can make full-time income online with affiliate marketing in your spare time, the second reason you should be doing affiliate marketing right now is because it is the fastest growing industry in e-commerce right now. Just about 90% of all your favorite online brands offer an affiliate program. So that means you can take the trophy you got right here, you can take the mug that you got over there, the coffee filters that you bought off Amazon, you can take all that stuff, you can go to those websites and you can scroll down to the bottom of the page, and 90% of these brands will have affiliate programs that you can participate in. Not to mention, it's over a $12 billion industry and growing every single day, with more and more people coming online, but not only coming online and launching their affiliate marketing businesses, but starting and getting their first commissions and actually turning it into a full-time online business in their spare time. More and more beginners than ever before are coming online and experiencing success with this business model. So now that you know you can make a full-time income online with affiliate marketing in your spare time, and that it is the fastest growing business model with more and more beginners coming online and experiencing success every single day, and that 90% of your favorite brands that you already know, love, and trust, like Amazon, Walmart, and Target, all have affiliate programs. Let's dive into reason number 3, and maybe the most important technical reason behind why you should be doing affiliate marketing right now. So the third reason why you should be doing affiliate marketing online right now, and this one isn't as flashy or as sexy as the other ones, but think about it. It's growing so fast, and it's such an easy, beginner-friendly business model for you to experience success. Why is that? And it's because it's a win-win-win, okay? You as the affiliate, you are now participating in business that you would not have been able to do before, because what does it take to get into business, right? Normally, if you're going to create your own products, you have to spend months creating the products. You have to spend all kinds of money and startup capital on, filming equipment. You have to film your tutorials. You have to film your videos. You have to create your products. You have to find a place to host them online. You have to do months and months of market research and talking to your market. You have to do all kinds of stuff. There's so much overhead that goes into starting your own business. So it's a win for you because you piggyback off of already created businesses. And if you're doing this right and you grab the training down below, you are going to learn exactly the right type of companies to promote that people are already buying the product. So you're just piggybacking off of their success. So that's why it's a win for you. Now, think about it from the business's perspective. It's a win for all of these businesses because instead of paying the Googles of the world, the Facebooks of the world, instead of paying them millions and millions of dollars for advertising, which all advertising is getting eyeballs to a product or service, now they pay people like you and me as affiliates to get those same eyeballs to their product or services. But here's where it's a win. They are paying people like you and me mainly when we make a sale. So for the companies, it is guaranteed money in their pocket. They only pay us when our traffic, the eyeballs that we bring to their website, convert into sales. Again, they're going to be doing all of that for you. Your only job is to get that traffic there. But when it gets there and it converts, now the company pays us on a guaranteed sale rather than paying the Googles and the Facebooks of the world on eyeballs, which aren't guaranteed sales. So it's a win for you, it's a win for the company, and most importantly, it's a win for the consumer at the end, right? Because now they're getting connected to a meaningful solution to their problem. Because why do people buy in the first place? They buy something because they have a need, a want, or some sort of desire. You are connecting people, if you're doing this right, again, you are connecting people to a meaningful solution to their problem. So it's a win for you, it's a win for the company, and it's a win for the customer at the end. It's a win, 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 and everybody's winning. So that's the third reason as to why you should be doing affiliate marketing right now, which is a perfect segue into the amazing bonus that you are going to get. So first of all, congratulations for sticking around to this point of the video. And second, here is exactly how you are going to start winning online with affiliate marketing right now. I'll leave a special link in the description down below. That is linked out to another special training. You won't need to do anything to get this training. You just click that link, you go over to it. It's about an hour-long video, and it's me peeling back the layers behind my entire six-figure affiliate marketing business. It's what's allowed me to go from 0 to 6 figures in 8 months. I give you everything you need step by step to get started with affiliate marketing fast with a proven funnel, a proven website. Everything is proven because I've done it, because I've used it. So I know it works. It is yours simply for sticking to the end of this video. So I appreciate you. Thank you all so much for watching. Go ahead, check that out down in the description below. If you're ready to get started with affiliate marketing right now, I'm here for you. And go ahead, leave a comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you all want to see next. I'm out.